battery replacement, and SSD upgrade on HP 15-DY2076 in our laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Cherise, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading the SSD and replacing the battery on the HP 15-DY2076NR is a wise decision as it significantly improves the laptop's performance, storage capacity, and battery life. A new SSD enhances boot times and system responsiveness, while a fresh battery restores mobility and ensures consistent power, making the device more efficient and reliable for long-term use. Battery replacement and SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your battery replacement and SSD upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.